Bafethu konke kufanele si-address ngale ndaba yeingane eziwu2 ebulewe eMamelodi this past weekend. Yabo bafethu iqiniso lizosisiza. Yazi iqiniso lizosisiza ngani? Firstly sobona la ukuthi sirongo kephi. Sibone ukuthi silungisa kephi. And ima ukuthi siyal addressa iqiniso abantu besifazane indaba yokuthi babulawe izoncipha. Uyabona le ndaba leyana. I was seeing on Twitter a lot of people are saying ukuthi we can't be making it about the nightlife and the girls' lifestyles. We need to address indaba yokuthi kukhona amadoda abulala abantu besifazane namadoda adlwengula abantu besifazane. Everybody knows that there's bad places and there's bad people in any society. In any society. Khona yazi lento ifana nokuthi makuthiwa kwena ungahambi kulwa mgwaqo kungenzeka ukuthi ubanjwe inkunzi mawuhamba kulwa mgwaqo. Kuyaziwa ukuthi mawuhamba kulwa mgwaqo kungenzeka ukuthi ubanjwe inkunzi bese wena uthi ngiyaya kulwa mgwaqo bese ubanjwe inkunzi bese uyabuya uthi ngibanjwe inkunzi. Ufuna sithini ke lapho? Ngoba sikutshelile ukuthi nawe futhi uyazi ukuthi kulwa mgwaqo kubanjwe inkunzi. It's the same analogy kulento le. And abantu abaningi abasho lento ukuthi no, it's not about the lifestyles, it's about these men. And yes, it is about those men, but we all know that sexual predators exist. We all know that murderers, serial killers, kidnappers, they exist. So that means now you are going to go and put yourself in a situation whereby kukhona abantu abanjalo, and then masekwenzeka isigameko esikanjalo, we are not going to say you were irresponsible. Ayihambe kanjalo. Ayihambi kanjalo. And the only reason why usho njalo is because akusiyona ingane yakho. Meku ingane yakho buzoyitshela ukuthi ebusuku akuhanjwa nabafana bakuthengele iphuzo ungabazi. Buzoyitshela ingane yakho. It's so easy for you to say ukuthi no, it's not about the nightlife, it's not about the lifestyle that ngoba kuyona ingane yakho. Ukhuluma into ongayazi ngoba kusiyona ingane yakho. You are still justifying umbhedo ukuthi ingane na 21 22 ayiphume ihambe namadoda na 38 zihambe lapha yana zithengele utshwala bese ziyabaleka ngofo ekseni akusiyona ingane yakho. That's why it's very easy for you to say that. If bekuyingane yakho buzoyitshela ukuthi lokhu nalokhu kuyingozi ungahambi kulwa mgwaqo uzobanjwa inkunzi. Stop justifying nonsense, guys. Stop justifying nonsense. It is nonsense ukuthi ngane na 20, 21, 22 eyentombazana ibe out at 4 a.m. in the morning. It is nonsense. Ngeke uzuyitshela ingane yakho wena ukuthi ayihambe noma uyivumele ukuthi ingane yakho yentombazane ihambe at 4 a.m. in the morning nabafana engabazi beyithengela utshwala. Ngeke uzuyivume. Why are you justifying it ngoba kwezinye ingane zabantu? Irongo leyanto beyisenziwa ileza ngane. They were irresponsible with their own lives and they paid with their lives. It is that simple. Yes, we have a crime problem. Yes, we have a rapist problem. Yes, we have a GBV problem. Yes, we have all of these issues. We know those issues. And those are the issues, yes, that we should deal with. But while we are still dealing with those issues, why are you putting yourself in the line of fire? Why are you putting yourself in danger knowing that there's danger? Ayi bafethu. Uyabona maqhutshekwa nale mentality le basazonqunywa abantu besifazane. Angifundi uqamba amanga basazonqunywa. Ngoba we know ukuthi khona abantu besilisa la eminyango abangekho right. Yet we are still saying ukuthi no intombazane na 2021 ingaphuma noma inini ihambe nabafana nanani why labafana beyibulala. Ifana nokuthi uzothi kuphara why libambe inkunzi. Yes, ifanele kudilwe nephara ukuthi libambe inkunzi, but wena uhambelana kulesa strata wazi ukuthi khona amaphara bambe inkunzi. Come on bafethu.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Nangixola ukukhuluma ngale ndzaba ayebantwana laba tholakala badujuliwe babulewe lapha eMamelodi. So uyasho ukuthi abayekele abantu ukujustify impetha, abayekele abantu ukujustify nonsense ngazuthi lento labantwana bebayenda abeyindle impilo bebayiphila beyiright. Uthi ngabe wakho umntwana ahambe ebusuku enta lokhu labantwana laba bebakonta ngeke uzokuvumela. The only reason why justify ukhuluma it's because lo mntwana abekangasiko wakho awakho bodwa umtshela iqiniso umtshele ukuthi lokhu kutokuledela la. We are not saying lo Tebogo Mnisi right kokuthi abulali. That was not okay. akusi-right but uzama khuluma indzaba yemthelela wetinto letibi, umthelela wokungalaleli, umthelela wokuhamba ebusuku, umthelela wokuhamba uyonatha tshwala abantu bese ufuna kubaleka. It doesn't work like that, unfortunately. If wona uyakwenda ukwendile kwakusebentela fine kukusebentile, but unfortunately for some people akubasebenteli. It's not the first time siva into lefana nalena yendeka, and people have been preaching Nkosi yami ukuthi yekelani kudla imali tebantu etshwaleni nibaleke. Manje sathini niqinise tento lokuthi hayi sidoda idla imali akudzingi ukuthi baze basibulale. Fine, nidoda idla imali tebantu batanikhomba senifuna thini ukuthi sithini. Ungaqhamuka lana ujustify embhedzo, justify nonsense uthi hey ku-right abantu bayahlanya, hey bekamela ambulale, hey naku tokwendakalela. But guys, tinto lesingade avoida asiti-avoideni. Yes, bangangibulala ngisekhaya, bangangibulala ngisedrobheni, bangangibulala ngikuphi, but angizami ukuthi ngiyigweme into lefana naleyo. Angihlala endlini, ngihlala ekhaya 21 years, 22 with a 30-year-old man ebusuku etshwaleni. No guys, mawufuna justify nonsense i-justify, but ishidi nje. Ngibonele i-comment yathi lo ntombatana ithi sekufuna singahambi ebusuku, sekufuna singayikonatha tshwala. Hambani onatha tshwala, hambani ebusuku, hambani odla imali tebantu, but you will pay the price. That's for sure. Sooner or later, or one day, you will definitely pay the price, because kunebantu labanukela ingadi ngaphandle, kunebantu labangakusabi kubulala. Kusimple for bona ukuthi bakubulale, kusimple for ukuthi yena akhiphe emphefemulo. So guys, kuze sibe safe asihlaleni etindlini. Masifuna kutenathela sitenatheleni etindlini. Anathi imali yemuntu utati ukuthi awunamali, hlala ungayitshwaleni utati nje ukuthi awunamali utitshela ukuthi bokuthengela le. Hey guys, impilo is precious. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.